In this video, I'm going to share my machine learning resources that I use it for referencing and understanding purposes of machine learning algorithms. I like to share my learning resources so it will be definitely useful for you to understand more about data science concepts. Before starting this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to support your creator. Your likes are very important for me. It will keep me motivated to produce new video every week. Okay, so let's get started. The learning resources that I'm going to share in this video is completely free of cost. They don't demand you to pay any more money for consuming their content. You can explore a lot of quality content from experienced data community peoples. The first site name is called Machine Learning Mastery. It is one of the top rated sites among machine learning and data science engineers. I'm sure that the content that they are producing, it is a top quality ones. They are having a lot of experienced contributors who are working in high level data implementations. And if you are a beginner in machine learning or you are experienced professional in machine learning, then this site is a great resource for you to explore more about data science concepts. Actually, I am sharing my personal opinion here. The contributors behind the content of this page are really experienced guys, because when I read some pages in this site, the way of explanation is very accurate here. Once you read an article, you never miss out content of the particular problem that you are searching on. I personally felt like this when I reading some articles on this site. Okay. Second one is kdnuggets.com. This site is another free site. It provides us a lot of high level to low level machine learning, deep learning and analytics implementation projects. I highly rate this site because of their wide range of contents. They are trying to cover the entire data stack like data engineering, data science, data analytics. So they are covering full stack data science from medium to high level. If you are a beginner, this site has contents for you, but it is mainly providing the high level contents, and those contents are top quality too. KD Nuggets site not only providing the tutorials and codes on their pages, they are conducting free webinar related to machine learning and data science with partnership of DZone. So you can go and check those free webinar that are really useful one to grow your data science knowledge. So apart from these technical things, they are providing career guidance on data science and providing step-by-step procedure to land on your first data job. So make use of those content as well. Instead of paying lakhs for certifications, make use of this real open source contents. I'm absolutely sure that open source content from these sites are way worth than the paid certification courses. So explore the real content from these sites. Don't fall for paid traps regarding data science certifications. Okay. And the final one is Dataflow Training. Dataflow Training is one of my favorite sites. Why? Because it helped me to crack my final year project assignment. In my final year, I tried to build one customized CNN architecture to do some image classification problem. At the time, I highly used these Dataflow training resources to complete my project. With the help of these resources, I got my O grade on those project assignment. This site is now updated because they are providing a lot of contents on data science, data engineering, IoT, SQL and computer vision concepts for free. And one more important thing in the site is they just launched a free course on various topics such as Spark, Kafka, machine learning, even cloud and data structures. That contents are absolutely free, so you don't need to pay anything. It is one of the golden opportunity for us to explore those concepts for free of cost. Now the educational tech domain is highly turned into money-minded business. So it is very rare to get quality contents even though you paid a lot of money on the courses. Just explore these kind of contents. Definitely these contents are valuable if you are from data background. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next week.